Latest.
I fucking hate you.
Bye. See ya. See ya. Bye. You fucking bastard, eh? You all show me up when my sister and her husband come round.
What the fuck did I do? I didn't spew up, I didn't shit me fucking shells. Much. I don't think they noticed anyway. I was quite discreet about it. In fact, I would say I was a fucking man. I respect the fucking military. All day.
Was ye bollocks? You humiliated me, just like you always fucking humiliate me. Look at you next to her, Maurice, eh? He's a real go-getter, is Maurice. He's got his own business, 2 tropical fish shops he's got.
Why? He's Mr. Fucking Perfect, ain't he? Fucking Maurice is.
He turned his hobby into a career and made a success on it, eh? He's a self-made man, is Maurice.
So? I'm a self-made fucking man too?
Aye, and just look at what you've made your fucking self into. A useless pissed up twat who couldn't run a bath, never mind a successful fucking business.
That's a bit harsh. You're twisting me fucking behaviour and using it as a stick to beat me with. In fact, I've been thinking about turning me hobby into a fucking business too. So there.
Oh aye, is that right?
It is.
You're gonna turn your fucking hobby into a business, are you, eh?
Aye.
You're intending to make a successful career out of your insatiable craving for 18 of this fucking lager, are you?
Too fucking late, You just wait. I'll show you. I'll show 'em fucking all. Next time your stuck-up fucking system, fucking Maurice Perfect, come round here, it'll be me what's the successful self-made man, and I'm what's the cunt in the shitted fucking trousers.
Aye, I'll believe that when I fucking see it, eh? And...